Welcome to another episode of NOC Tech. This is gonna be a gaming room tour 2.5. It's not 3 because there's a lot of things that are not ready yet. So let's start with what's new. The TV is still same. It's a 4K smart TV. It's not HDR, unfortunately. But something new is the Xbox One X. Okay, the 4K Xbox version of the Ps4 Pro, which we already have. You can see it's playing PUBG. We have a lot of nice controllers now. Like, look at that. Got this white controller and this limited edition grease-proof Players Unknown Battlegrounds controller. It only has 200 in the world and this is 45, a nice number. And if I'm not wrong, someone is selling this on eBay for $1,000. This controller is more expensive than the Xbox One X and the PS4 Pro together. This one, what nonsense. Oh, how I get it? Xbox sent me one because I guess they send a few in Singapore and we are one of the trusted people in Singapore. Thank you, Xbox. Microsoft, thank you very much. This is my vest. I wear it during streams. Now this day I don't wear it, but you know, just wear it for this video. So this is a monitor. It's a 4K HDR monitor. That's right, 4K by BenQ. More entertainment monitors. It's not set up, but my goal is to have both the PS4 Pro and the PS4 side by side, so you can play something here and then have like a system link, so like 8 players can play some. That's the whole idea lah, but it's not plugged in yet. There's a lot of boxes. Armageddon, mouse pads, and then we have Zowie Mousepad. Oh, I just remember what is this. This is one of the new Razer headsets. So what's new about this headset, right, is that you know how controller will vibrate? This headset will vibrate from the sound. If let's say there's a shooting from the left, it will vibrate your left ear. Have an orgasm on your ear. Ooh. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know the price for this, but this one is another thing that's cool. It's not as crazy expensive as that $1,000 controller. That one is expensive because it's limited edition. This one is expensive because of its functionality. Look at that. It's the Razer Raju controller. It's for the PS4. It's like $250 just for the controller. It's almost as expensive as a PS4 itself. So you have pliers here to like, macam say it's wireless lah. It's a like media kit, so it's pretty cool. I got a few plans for this. I'm gonna make a video out of this. 5PL. And we have a few boxes. You can see like it's super messy, and that's why it's not an official gaming room tour. Like you see that area, that's gonna be my area to like keep stuff. So it's gonna be a more neat. So we have a Nerf gun that I spray paint black, which is cool. At least I think it's cool. Change magazine. It doesn't work because there's no batteries, but yeah, props. All these are just PCs that I built lah. This one is the value PC I built. Anyway, this is Bob. I have a few plans for him, I can tell you later. $400 PC. The one I recently built. Budget PC, second hand. Pretty cool. So if you notice, I haven't showed the PS4 Pro because the PS4 Pro has been here. Reason being, it's a lot easier to record my PS4 Pro. Okay, so let me try to explain this whole setup. So the PS4 Pro is connected to the PC video capture card. So capture card output to this monitor. So this is just the PS4 monitor. It's like a TV lah, if you think about it. And then what is on the right is basically the PC. And you can see there's like OBS, so I can record it here. And then it's a regular PC. Things in that this monitor is a 4K monitor, very similar to this one, just smaller in size. And 1 ms response time, which is almost like esports kind of specs. 4K HDR. I would say HDR has been really interesting. Everyone's talking about 4K, but I think HDR will be the next thing. Yes. I forgot to mention that this is BenQ, the entertainment series, but this one is also for BenQ. And this is more of the professional monitor setup. So if you can see lah, like this one is for gaming, this one is for editing. Because this one have proper accurate colors and there's a SD card slot which is pretty useful. To USB 3.0 or 3.1 maybe, I don't know. Not quite sure. But I told you this is not very in-depth. Part 3 will be more in-depth lah. Table is by Omnidesk. It's pretty cool. I can show you there, but right now it's not set up to move as much. PC is by Aftershock. I have not mentioned about PC. It's running a Threadripper 1950X. That's 16 core CPU. 16 cores. 16. That's 32 threads. That is mad. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention is the speakers are from Razer as well. It's a Nomo. It's not like fantastically good, but it's really simple and it has LED. What's the word for it? Convenient. Very convenient. Something I like about speakers because you know, as an editor, we use headset more often than speakers. So if you want something that's convenient. I got my laptop here, the MSI GS65. This laptop has been pretty good. It cannot beat a desktop lah, but if you talk about laptop quality, I think this is one of the best. This has a 1070 GTX i7 8750H. I forgot whether it's correct or wrong. 6-core CPU for a laptop. It's pretty good. Pretty good. This one, I talked about it. The only thing that's different right now is the monitor. We changed the monitor. This is a Zowie, basically BenQ lah. It's just an esports brand. Zowie, it runs 240 Hz, 1 ms response time. That's mad. It's the CSGO esports monitor. Just try to take note on their monitors when they play CSGO competitively. It's always this monitor. And then we have the, this one is Premise. It's a sister company of Aftershock. I think this is more of an economical monitor. It's pretty affordable, but it's not say it's not good or anything. It's just pretty affordable lah, I'll say. Yeah, I got my tools here. I got lights, messy. Oh yes. This is where Bob come in. He's supposed to have a base, so my plan is to have a base for him, and then he will be the stand for the Vive headset. So you can see the idea lah. So it won't just be left here. Like you can see, it's actually collecting dust. Hopefully it will all come together nicely. I'll just leave it here first. Hello, Sikin again. Every tour we have Sikin here. How are you, Sikin? Good. Come, stand up. I talked about the Omni desk. We are all using Omni desk. There's 4 Omni desks. It's all motorized. It's pretty cool. You lose some weight, stand and work. So let me tell you a story. I went to reservice, right? His PC wasn't working for quite some time. So it's like, hey Julian, my PC is not turning on. Why? So I thought it was the power button, because the power button is stuck. So if you didn't know, let's say you turn on a PC, you press the button and you hold it there, it will just turn it off because it's just thinking that you turn on and off at the same time. But when he pressed the button, nothing even happened. What happened? So I just fixed it. It's working now. So tell me what happened, Sikin.
The power socket, the thing is loose. So basically you just pop it in and it works.
You heard that right? I just pop it in, press the button, can already. So what, 3 weeks of the PC not working because I was in reservice? All you had to do is just lock it up. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Just a very simple video. We're gonna keep a lot of stuff, get that set up, get this set up, get it nice and organized. And remember my porn box? Yeah, I think it's spoiled now, so hopefully I can fix it. Like you see, the whole thing is like just. So it's a huge mess. Hopefully we can get this running by next year, February, before February, maybe even mid-January. I don't know. But anyway, hope you enjoy. If you have any question about any of the equipment, do let me know. And I guess you click here for more and you click here to subscribe.